According to the members of the Uganda Bureau of Statistics, Buganda has so many financial dealings and compilations that need statistics include a local government administrative system, parishes, divisions, among others that fall in the jurisdiction of Buganda Kingdom. According to Katikkiro Charles Peter Maiga, Uganda Bureau of Statistics is professional with government backing, hence well suited to execute the awarded job.
We want to run the kingdom based on systems. And you can't get any further than the Uganda Bureau of Statistics if you're talking about building capacity for systems.
Uganda Bureau of Statistics pledged to promote the growth of the kingdom through provision of authentic figures needed to prosper planning and administrative decision making for Buganda.
The scheme of the national resource production want to target community information statistics. And we know with their network we can develop the system that will help you in running the kingdom.
In preparation for the job, they added that more equipment will be added in capacity enhancement to execute with accuracy.
Statistics. So once we have the sector strategic plan for Uganda Kingdom and statistics unit, then government will be required to give technical and financial support in developing the statistics.
Second Deputy Katikkiro Charles Wagwansibirwa, in concern of so many companies under Buganda, specifically Kabaka's ministers, that need better planning, the move was just in the nick of time.
Users, our companies can use information to even earn a living and earn income for the kingdom. And the community information statistics is very encouraging, and you receive every support in its implementation.
He added that he will do whatever it takes for this partnership to work in the interest of the growth of Buganda Kingdom.